Welcome! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to send stickers to someone on Discord Mobile, updated for the latest version. If you love expressing yourself in chats with fun and creative stickers, this guide will help you do it in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the server or chat where you want to send the sticker. Once you're inside Discord, head over to your messages. This is where you can chat directly with your friends or in a server channel. Next, open the conversation with the person you want to send a sticker to. You can do this by tapping on their name or profile from your messages list. Once their chat is open, you're ready to add some fun to the conversation. At the bottom of the chat screen, you'll see the emoji icon, the little smiley face next to where you type your message. Tap on it and you'll notice a few different tabs appear. One of them will be for stickers. Go ahead and tap on the sticker icon to open your sticker collection. Now comes the fun part. Scroll through the available stickers and choose the one you want to send. Discord offers tons of designs from cute and funny to animated reactions that can express exactly how you feel. When you found the perfect sticker, just tap it once and Discord will instantly send it in the chat.